This is the place where we got bombarded by seagulls having breakfast. And we're back here again because we're crazy, and I can't see the camera at all, so I hope you can see me. Oh my god, they're flying over my head and everything, ready to dive on our table and rob our food. Can't stand them. Anxiety is the word for here.
Fucking twatted in the head off a seagull.
Yeah. Emma just got twatted in the head by a seagull. Literally.
It's only gone order for breakfast
evil.
and I get wing slapped.
Catch you in a bit, guys.
Never in my life have I been.
Getting terrored. Okay. Where's my knife gone now? Oh. If they assault us, it's on camera. Just so you know.
Shit. Oh shit.
What?
Can't cook my food.
Bacon might be a bit tricky, I don't think I can fold that.
I can fold that, believe me, it's bacon.
Been to the bank, sorted that, because on that night out also I lost my bank card and my vaccine card actually, so I had to go in the bank to get cash out, and yeah, and next up is the chemist for Emma's prescriptions and Millie's, yeah, and then we're gonna go and have a brew with Caroline, we call it Crackerline, Castelline, all sorts. And yeah, I think that's it. We're on our bike, so we're being healthy. So we'll burn this breakfast off in no time. Don't worry about that one.
It's nice breakfast.
Wait a minute, I'll show you these seagulls. Hold up. Right there. No! Fuck off! Oh, just literally turn my camera around. Fuck off! I just literally turned my camera around to show you them up there, and one swooped and hovered right next to my head. Ready to rob my breakfast. Oh my god. I did nearly punch him. I didn't, I nearly did. Just finished breakfast, so they're likely to try and come down now. They're watching us up there. That's just two of them. The other one's around and behind us and stuff. Oh god, there's the other two up there. Here they come. Oh. So I grab something off the floor. Stop! You're encouraging them. Hey! I swear just shut on me. Please go away. Oh, it's so horrible. Oh my god. What? We're going to take them in because they won't come and collect them quick enough. So yeah, you need to take some notes from Stephen, the pet seagull. He's a lot more polite than you lot. Look him up on YouTube.
Yeah, seagull's gonna do that.
Mate. Oh, well, we made it out alive. So we're getting back on the bikes now. Heading to Caroline's. Oh, what's going on here? Weird hair. Weird hairstyle.
We'll have to wrap that round.
I don't care. I really don't care. What?
Wrap it round.
Yep. Onto the vehicles. Check. Got the drugs. Look at all these. Oh, we've got loads worth. You can't see, but we've got loads worth. Poor child. ADHD meds.
Sleeping
And
meds.
what?
Sleeping meds.
Sleeping meds for ADHD.
Anxiety
Morning
meds. For me, and
meds.
Stomach meds.
Anxiety meds for Amma.
Stomach meds.
Stomach meds for Amma. It's just popping pills up in here. And we made it. Oh. Right, these two have been having a cleaning frenzy out here.
I've just got to clean out the window.
Oh, have you now?
Like that.
Did you ever see anything like it? It's a rare sight, but it happens now and again around here. These two.
Do you know how you...
Putting that sugar rush into something useful, aren't we, girls?
Yeah.
Look at the little one.
Donna? Yeah,
Yes.
she's put a bit too much on the table. But how do you clean the windows?
You need too much.
You just wipe it down with that. Your mum actually already did them last week.
Oh,
This one doesn't look
Alright,
clean.
Piper, you got enough spray now, baby.
Yeah.
You're going to tell Vlog what you're
No,
doing,
it's not
Piper?
done.
What are you cleaning? Huh?
let's kick it.
Piper?
Finger.
Piper, tell people watching what you're cleaning.
And I'm cleaning the